Hello, Chef here with yet another recipe. I've got an 8-cut chicken. I want to show you what I'm going to do to this real quickly. I've got 3 cloves of garlic. I've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. If you need any of this stuff, hit up your sponsor. It's really, really good. Okay, so the garlic, I just give it a smash like this. That's it. I'm all done. Peel it up a little bit, but the main thing is I'm going to rub it all over this chicken. Yeah, I want to get all that garlic oil and juice and flavor on there. So no need to chop it up. It's going to marinate for, I don't know, an hour or more. So here we go. Garlic is looking good. Goes all on there. Brown sugar. Next, right on there, lemon juice, mix it around a little bit, Cajun spices, oh yeah, soy sauce, alright, now you know there's one more thing we need. Of course, every time I'm prepping out chicken, gotta have salt and pepper. So there we go, that is the basic wet dry rub right there. Of course, we're going to add a little more moisture, so it's actually going to be a wet rub, but it doesn't matter. Call it what you like. A little bit of this Hawaiian pink sea salt. Oh yeah, I love it. Good stuff. And I'm going to finish this off with 2 ounces of brandy. Okay, and now we're going to just manipulate this all together like so. Oh yeah, that's what I'm looking for right there. It's looking really good. Okay, I'm going to cover this, put it in the refrigerator a minimum of 2 hours. I'll be back. Oh yeah, look at that beautiful chicken. It's all done. In case you're wondering, I've been smoking this over hardwood coals and cherry for quite a while. Leave a comment, like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Get cooking and have a great day. I'm making homemade vanilla extract. I want to show you these awesome vanilla beans. Sponsors label right here, Chef Depot label. You want to use these together or your own homemade with the beans. Yeah, use these together in any recipe and wow! It's going to really, really kick. You're going to improve it greatly. I'm going to let you go now. Smash that like button. Subscribe. Share. This is a great project for you, your family, or your friends. Okay, I got 20 again. Yeah, you can see those are pretty nice cuts. These are precise cuts. You're not going to do this with a regular kitchen knife. Trust me. This pear is really, really ripe, and this knife is razor sharp. So already I've got a pretty neat pattern right there, right? Just by putting them back together like this and cutting right down the middle. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go, 80 really nice slices of pear. I'm gonna fold this way and this way. Looking good. Don't pry with them too much, okay? A little bit's okay. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm gonna eat that. All right, so I got these 2 pieces already, and this melon's looking pretty cool. Yeah. Hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. Oh, I can't help myself. I like to put a little extra detail on the handle here. Make sure you leave a comment. Like, share, subscribe. Score all the cool stuff at your sponsor. Get cooking, and of course for the recipe, subscribe and watch the chef's other videos. You're gonna find it. Sourdough bread. Oh, it's gonna be good. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old, looks brand new. These knives function perfectly, well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Okay, I got my steamed asparagus on there. It's looking really good. The last thing I'm going to add to finish this drunken porterhouse recipe is some of the drunken juice right over the top like this. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right down there. Get cooking, try the recipe, have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, I got some homemade clam chowder here. I put extra clams in there, lots of potatoes, some thyme. It's good to go. Make sure you subscribe. You can check out some of the soup recipes that I've decided to share. Black pepper, I love it. Oh yeah, let's put a little extra grind on there. If you want one, you can visit the sponsor and you can check them out right there. They got all kinds of them at the sponsor. Star anise. Oh, it's really, really nice quality. Hard to find. And the gloves. Whole garlic. Super high antioxidant. You already know that from watching my other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot of it every day. Boost your immunity.